Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our third digital tutorial of Science Prep 2. Here we are going to discuss chapter 8 Simple Chemical Reaction from page number 158 to 173. It's the syllabus of second week of March from 9 March to 13 March 2020. Before starting chemical reaction, we should know that which kind of changes occur in matter. Physical changes and chemical changes. When two matters interact together, they cause some changes in matter. These changes could be physical and chemical. Now, how can we differentiate between physical changes and chemical changes? Firstly, consider physical changes. In these type of changes, no new substance is formed and the reaction is reversible. Means we can reverse the reaction, we can go back into the previous state. For example, change in the state due to any kind of physical processes, as we have discussed before in the class, that physical processes are filtration, evaporation, distillation. All these are physical processes, so we can reverse them back. Next is breathing and movement. Now comes the chemical changes. New substances are formed as a result of a chemical changes which is irreversible, and the energy change is required in it. For example, the burned paper. We couldn't reverse this reaction as burned paper converted again into a paper. The rusted iron, the process of digestion. All these are the examples of chemical changes which cannot be reversed back again. Chemical reactions. Chemical reaction are processes in which substance called reactant are changed to produce new substances known as product. We can represent chemical reaction by two methods, by using a word equation and models. Word equation, as we have taken the example of hydrogen and oxygen. When they combine together, they form water. As you can see in the model representation, we have taken two molecules of hydrogen, one molecule of oxygen. When they combine together, they form two molecules of water without any gain and loss of masses, which is known as mass conservation. Now here are some examples of word equation of chemical reactions. First example is that iron when combined with sulfur, it form iron sulfide as a product. In the second example, we break our reactant which is copper carbonate and it form two products, copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Now here we are discussing some conditions which causes chemical reaction. There are three basic conditions. First is chemical reaction caused by heat, chemical reaction caused by mixing, and chemical reaction caused by electrolysis. Now here we are discussing chemical reaction caused by heating. There are three methods. Its first is thermal decomposition, second one is combination, third one is combustion and burning. Firstly, we consider thermal decomposition. As it is mentioned from its name, that it is a process of breaking down of the substance into a simpler substance by using heat. In the picture below, we have discussed the sugar. When sugar is heated, it converted into a carbon and water vapor. As you can see, the color of sugar gets changed from white to brown, which represents its conversion or its breaking down into carbon. Now comes combination. When two or more substances combine to form a new substance by using heat. As we have discussed in our class, that when iron filling mix with sulfur, it form new product which is iron sulfide, as you can see in the diagram below. Now comes the third one, the combustion or burning. When the substance is heated in the presence of oxygen. For example, when we just take a magnesium ribbon, it burns in the presence of oxygen. It produces a white solid, or we can also say that a white ash of magnesium oxide. Similarly, a second example is that when the fuel is burned to produce energy, which is methane, when react with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. It provides us energy to do some work on any kind of machine. Now, chemical changes caused by mixing. Here are some examples. First, consider we take sugar in a beaker and concentrated sulfuric acid is mixed with it. It just produces a new product which is a form of carbon. Next example is when baking soda or a fruit salt, its chemical formula is sodium bicarbonate. When it mixed with vinegar, its chemical formula is ethanoic. It forms a new product of carbon dioxide, which shows the chemical reaction occur. Now here we are discussing the chemical reaction caused by electrolysis. As we have discussed before in our class, when electric current passes through water, it breaks it down into two parts, oxygen and hydrogen. Means new products are formed by the breakage of water, which shows the chemical reaction take place. Now here comes the written tasks, and you all have to do in your notebooks. Number one is a question from your textbook on page number 173. It's from 1 to 6. I hope you will all be able to understand the questions and answer them. Number 2 is think tank at page number 173. Think about it at page number 170. Hints are as below. And the try it out 162. I hope you will all understand the presentation very well and you will be able to do all this work properly in your notebooks. Thank you.